Hello everyone, welcome to this interesting session on building your e-commerce website on Shopify. So now let's look at the demonstration of Shopify platform. So you can just go to your browser and just write Shopify. Now when you are here, so you will find this kind of a screen. Build your own e-commerce website in 3 easy steps, and then you will find this option start a free trial. So I click on start free trial, and then if you already have an account, you can log in, or you can create your account using any of this method. So you can see get 3 days free, then 1 month for 20 rupees. So since I already have an account, so I can click on sign up with Google. Then this will give you some prompt. These are some questions which Shopify asks you to generate the pre-populated themes and templates. So with that you can answer as per your business and industry. Like, where would you like to sell? Is it an online store? Is it in person at event? Is it on social media you are selling your product? Is it in person at a retail store? Or you already have an existing website? Or you have account on Amazon or other marketplaces? And likewise you will be having other questions. So right now I am just skipping it up. I don't want help setting up because we can do it ourselves. Now here again it will give you the setup guide, and it tells you that which parameters are missing on your platform. So this is how the Shopify dashboard looks like, and here it is giving you a guidance that there are four steps of this setup guide, out of which you have not completed any one of them. You have to add a first product, you have to design your online store, you have to set your shipping rates, and you have to place a test order. So let's look at the option first of all. What are the options on this dashboard which are available to us? So right now we are on the home screen, or this is called the dashboard of Shopify account. Then you have the orders option. We have the product option wherein we can add different products. Customers, wherein you can check the customer data. You will be having customer name, email ID, billing address, shipping address, their mobile number, and other details. Related to content, which is product images and product videos if you have uploaded on your website. Analytics, you will be see the detailed analytics of your website's performance. Analytics related to each and every page of your website, and analytics related to the customer behavior. Under the marketing, you will get the option of integrating the social media platforms. You can integrate your email marketing service providers so that you can start sending the email directly to your customers as per their transactions, or you can run the social media campaigns also directly from here. You can create some discount and promo codes for various festivals which are happening around you, and then you can track the discount performance as well. You can set up your online store. You can see how your online store is going to look like. You can add some apps if you are using third-party apps, so that can be integrated directly over here. So let's go to the settings first, and let's understand what are there in the settings. So under setting, first is general detail. So under the general detail, you can mention the name of your store. So what is the store name? What is the product you are selling? So let's say I am creating this e-commerce platform for electronic gadgets, and I am writing the name as all electronics, or let's say essential electronics. Then you can provide the mobile number, and my email ID is already provided over here, and you can save it. You can change the billing address. This billing address related to your business, right? So what is your business name? What is your address, your PIN code, your state? So next time when Shopify will start charging you, so they will be creating the invoices on this billing address name. Then these are the default setting. So right now I'm creating this store in India. So my currency is INR. If you want to change the store currency, so that can be done. If you are based out of USA, you are based out of UK or any other country, so you can choose these kind of a currency. Then what is the metric system? You are the unit system, basically, whether you want to use metric system or imperial system. Default weight unit, kilogram, gram, whatever. So that's imperial system, it will be in the pounds, right? So I'm using the metric system here. Then your time zone, so by default it is plus 5:30 Kolkata, so we can keep it as it is. Then comes order ID. If you want to have some kind of prefix and suffix like this, your order ID will appear as this. So you can do the suffix, like this is year 2025. So I want to create a suffix prefix as PDS, that is my company's name, and 2025. After this, the random numbers will be added to the order when somebody is placing an order from your website. Order processing. After an order has been paid, what do you want to do? Automatically fulfill the order line item. Automatically fulfill only the gift card of the order. Do not fulfill any of the order line item automatically. When you want to manage the shipping of the products manually, then in that case you can keep it as it is. If you have some integrations with you which are handling your shipping and billing, so in that case you can use this. Notify customer of their shipment. So for this, your email should be integrated. Automatically fulfill all order, even those with a high risk of fraud. So that if you do this, automatically the order will go into the shipping process and the product will be shipped to the user. You can add the brand assets. So that is related to your let me save it. Your brand assets, wherein you can add your logo. So default logo, square logo, your colors, your cover image. You can add your slogan, short description, and links. So all these formats are available for the logo. It has provided you the specification also that it requires 512 pixels. For square logo, it should be 512 by 512 pixel. You can add your primary color over here. Like I'm using this blue color. What will be the contrasting color? So this will be my contrasting color. If you have a secondary color also, so that can be added. If you want to add more colors, more contrasting colors, if you had a cover image, so that can be uploaded. You can add a slogan also. All essential electronics under one roof, and save it. Then you can add the short description about your product, what type of products you sell or what this store is all about. We sell high quality international grade electronics product for your basic needs, something like this. And then you can add your social accounts. You can add Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, Tumblr, Snapchat, YouTube, Vimeo, and LinkedIn. So all those social media accounts can be linked to your e-commerce store which you are creating. Now once this is done, let's go to the general plan again. So that was the last thing, I believe. Yeah. So you can change the log. You can access the help center. You can hire a Shopify partner also. Then store activity log, and likewise. Then under the plan, it will tell you about the plan which you are using right now. So right now I'm on 3 days trial plan. Later on, if you want to cancel the trial, if you want to choose another plan, so that can be done from here. Now related to the billing, so what is your current billing cycle? When do you want the bill to be raised and bill to be processed by the Shopify? So that can be added. So you can see right now I am on the trial version and my trial will end on 17th of Jan, and after that I have to go for the paid plan. Under user and permission, right now I am the owner of this. Let's say tomorrow I want to leave the business, so I can transfer the ownership. If I have sold the company to somebody else, that can be done. I can add the staff accounts over here. If there are a lot of team members who are managing this account, so I can create their account. You can add collaborators also. These are basically designers, developers and marketeers. Let's say you have created this Shopify account and you have hired a digital marketing agency who is running digital campaign for you. So you can give the marketeer access to those people, and they will only be able to access the things which are required for a marketeer digital marketing agency. Likewise, if you are giving access to the developer will be having access to the backend code so that they can do the coding and all other parameters. You can choose anyone can send a collaborator request, or only people with a collaborator request code can send this request. So you have to share this code to somebody. Then only they will be able to send you the request. Otherwise, nobody else will be able to do that. It provides you the login services, login from which app I'm using, I'm accessing this account, or you can choose. Staff can't use Google Apps to log in like this. So likewise, you can define your definition of accessing this platform. Payments, you can choose the payment provider. So payment providers that enable you to accept payment method at a rate set by the third party. So you can choose the provider directly from here, whether it is Typee, Adyen Payments, Asia Bill Payments, Cash Free, Integration Use Pay, Oneaway, One Site Card, Pack Brazil, Payoneer, Razorpay, CyberSource, QuickPay. If you have any other requirement, if you have any other payment gateway, then for that you can manually integrate that payment gateway to this platform. PayPal is already available over here. You just have to activate it, or you can add the other payment method which we have already seen. You can search by the provider, or you can search by the payment method. Then payments are authorized when an order is placed. What will happen? Automatically at the checkout, capture payment when an order is placed, automatically when the entire order is fulfilled. Authorize payment at checkout and capture once the entire order is fulfilled, or you want to manage it manually. You can add manual payment method. This is what I was referring to. So if your payment gateway is not available in that list, so you can choose this manual payment method and you can integrate a third party platform to this account. Payment, all kind of payment method customizations are available. You can issue gift card also. So right now we have set gift card never expire, or we can set gift card expire after 1 year. So if you are issuing any gift card, that will be valid for 1 year by default. You can customize the Apple Wallet passes as well for your account. So if somebody is using Apple Wallet to make the payment, so that can be integrated. Checkout process, how customer can do the checkout. The contact method customers enter at checkout will receive order and shipping notification. So whatever phone number or email they have used to access the Shopify, your website, they will be getting notification on that phone number or email. For sending the SMS update, you need to install an SMS app. And again, these are chargeable. You have to pay some prices for this. And then you will be able to send SMS as well as WhatsApp messages. You can send email. You can show a link for customers to track their order with shop. Require customers to log into their account before checkout. All these settings can be done. Customer information, what do you want to show? Full name, only require last name, require first and last name. Company name, don't include. Address line, it is required. Shipping address, phone number, it is required. Then marketing option, you want to send email marketing, let customers sign up for email or SMS marketing, or SMS marketing both. So that can be selected. Any kind of tipping, customer can choose between 3 present or enter a custom amount. So if customer want to give a tip, so they can be able to do that. Address collection preferences, use the shipping address as the billing address by default. If you want to change it, that can be done. What will be the checkout language? So again, in whatever country you belong to, you can choose that language for the checkout. And if you want to set up any kind of checkout rules, like related to return policy, refund policy, so those rules can be set up over here. Then comes customer account. So any customer who comes on your website and they want to create their account, so how it will appear. So show login links in the header of online store. Choose which version of customer accounts to link to, whether it is customer account. Legacy means this is the previous version. Now has been discontinued. Customer account, self-serve returns. You can allow customer to see and spend store credit also. And you can give the access of URL to the customer also. They can manage their customer account with this kind of a URL. You can set up the shipping and delivery over here. You can create your profile. You can set rate for domestic and international, whether you will be charging any fees for shipping or whether your shipping will be free. So that can be added over here. You can add the expected delivery dates. So you can show automated delivery date for eligible order for increasing the conversion. So I want to set it up. For this again, it is asking you to install a plugin for setting up the delivery and shipping process. So these are the different apps which are available. Shop, point of sale, online store. This can be added for setting up the delivery details over here, which we were looking at. Setting up the delivery dates, or you can choose the manual delivery date option also. Local delivery, deliver order to customer directly from your locations. So if you want to set up the local delivery, people who are buying product from the same state, same city, and you want to handle that locally, so that can be set up over here. Pick up in store, you are giving an option to customer to pick up their orders at the location. So like in case of Decathlon, when you are placing any order, you have the option whether you want the order to be delivered or you want to pick up the order from the store. So you can set up that as well over here. You can add any kind of delivery customizations, like you can hide, reorder or rename delivery options. Any kind of saved packages. So depending on the type of product you are selling, so you can add the package detail, like sample box is 22 by 13.7 by 4.2 centimeter, 0 kg. If you want to add more package detail over here, is it a box, is it envelope, soft package or sachet, so that can be added. You can add the dimensions of those boxes so that it gets automatically applied as per the product which people are buying for. Enable third-party calculated rates at checkout. That can be done for shipping courier. Packing slips can be generated over here, which will be pasted on the order so that the shipping team can refer to it and they can deliver the product on time. Under taxes and duties, like in India, we have GST system. So on different products, we have different GST applicable. So you can choose your country and accordingly you can add the tax compliance. And again, these apps are there for help you. If you don't know what are the GST rates on these products, so you can add these apps to your platform. Automatically, they will calculate the GST and apply the GST to the product. Related to the locations, so you can add your all store locations. So if you have stores available in multiple cities, multiple states, so all those locations can be added so that people have access to go to these locations to pick up their delivery. Also, you can also mention that in which countries you are delivering. So right now I have mentioned location India only, that anyone who tries to buy my product from international address, they will not be able to do that because I am selling my products only in India. Related to the market, so you can see right now India market is active and international market is inactive. So you can enable these markets or you can specifically choose certain markets. So there are 208 countries. So wherever you are providing your services, you can choose those countries, you can enable them so that people from those countries can start buying your products. Related to app and sales channel, so you can go to the Shopify app store and there are various kinds of app available which you can install as per your requirement. Now coming to the domain. So guys, when we are setting the store, one important and mandatory thing which is required is a domain name. So first of all, you have to buy the domain name. Either you can do it from here, or you can go to the GoDaddy. From there you can buy the domain name. So right now I have selected Essential Electronics. So let's go to GoDaddy. And now let's see whether this domain name is available or not. Essential Electronics. So as you can see, essentialelectronics.com, it has already been taken by somebody. Not taken, but it is a premium plan. So you can see I have to pay 2,59,000 to get this domain name. That is the price of this domain. Otherwise, there are some domain names like .in, which is available at 1 rupee only. .co.in, 1 rupee only. This electronic essential is at 3 lakh rupees. These are some of the premium domain names. Essentialelectrical.com, 8,70,000. And so on and so forth. So depending on your requirement, depending on the relevance of the domain name, you can choose any of that. And then here it is an option, connect the existing domain. So if you have already bought a domain name from GoDaddy or any other platform, you can connect it, or you can buy it directly from here also. So once that is connected, so when somebody opens essentialelectronics.com, they will be taken to your Shopify store directly. Then come customer event. So these are basically integrating your pixels. So if you want to add Google tag, or if you want to add Facebook pixels, so that can be added over here to track the customer's behavior, to track the customer actions taken on this website. Related to your notifications, this is for your account. So where your notifications will be sent. So it will be sent on this email ID, and then you can set up the customer notification, staff notification, and fulfillment request notification. Related to the custom data, so here all detail will be available related to product, variants, collection, customer, order, location, blogs, blog post, and likewise. You can choose the language, you can set up the language as per the country you belong to. If it is UAE, then you can set up Arabic language, and your store will look like in the Arabic language. Or you can install this plugin. So in this case, what happens, whatever the state, whatever the country of the customer is, automatically your website will be translated in that language. So that again gives a very good user experience for the customer. Related to the customer privacy, so privacy policy is already automated. It is published on your online store. Cookie banner is not required. Data sales opt-out page, it is not required for regions you are selling in. But if you are selling to other countries, in that case you have to add cookie banner, you have to add data sales, and likewise. For the marketing setting, you can ask your customer for their marketing preferences, whether they want the SMS notification or email notification, or both the notification. Data storage, hosting location, so all your data will be stored in US. So the server of Shopify is located in US, and you cannot do anything about it. This is a default setting, and nothing can be done about it. Related to the policies, so you can set up your return policy if you accept free returns, or there are charges on the return shipping. Who will pay for the return shipping? Either customer have to identify themselves. So I can set my return and refund policy. Privacy policy is automatically set. Terms of service, if there are some terms and conditions with your product. Shipping policy, whether the product will be shipped by you or customer has to pay for it, and the contact information. So all of these settings can be done in this setting option in the left hand side bottom, which we have seen. These are very, very important. While you are creating your Shopify account, make sure that you are first of all going to the settings tab and changing whatever is essential, whatever is required for your Shopify website. Now let's go to the other tabs over here. So let's look at the online store. The first thing which you have to do is to select the theme for your website. How do you want your website to look like? So you can see there are various themes available. Right now this theme is activated and this is how your website is going to look like. Essential electronics, desktop version and mobile version. Dawn theme is selected. If you want to customize it, you can customize it as per your choice. You can change the color, you can change the background. Like you can see there is some nature background is shown, but my website is on electronics. So I can customize it and change it. Then we can access more themes over here. These are popular free themes. This is related to apparel. Then we have Spotlight, Dawn, Spotlight, some beauty products, house essential, some kind of travel related website, art, and likewise. So you can visit the theme store and you can identify the relevant theme which is suitable for you. But by looking at the aesthetics, let's say I find this theme to be very interesting. So you can click on view demo first of all. Just check whether the look and feel of the website is what you are looking for or not. So on mobile phone, this is how it is going to look like. So it gives a lot of sense to me and I can click on try theme. So now you can see I have activated this theme. Right now I am on the home page and then it has automatically taken you to this stage wherein you can modify anything like image banner. I am not happy with this kind of a background image. So I can click on select and then I can upload my image. So I have created my images that can be uploaded directly over here and this image will be changed. If you want to change the percentage of this like this, so you can see this is about the transparency of the background image. Banner height can be set, desktop content position, desktop content alignment. Right now it is in center. You want it is in the left side. So now the entire content will be in the left side. You want it on the right side, so that will be set to the right side. Color scheme can be selected from here. Right now this is the color scheme which is selected and then you can choose any of the relevant scheme. If you want to add some animations, that can be added. You can check the mobile layout. You can do some more theme settings over here. And then there is an option of custom CSS. Custom CSS is basically the code. So if you know the coding, then you can code the CSS, which is a beautification of your website, and all these components can be customized directly from here. You can go to the theme settings. You can upload your logo if you have logo available. You can change the colors. You can change the font type. Right now it is assistant, and then you will get more font type over here. You can change the layout also. Right now it is vertical space 8 pixel. If you want to increase the size, so that can be done. You can see the size has been increased for the images. If you want to add animations, so that can be added. If you want to add some buttons and you want to change their style, so that can be done. Shadow, border place, variant pills, again related to the themes. Related to the input, when customer is inputting anything, what kind of beautification you want to do. Related to the product cards, these are the product cards which is in front of you. So if you want to change these product card settings, so that can be done. Related to the collection cards, blogs, how the blog cards will appear, how the content containers will appear on the website, any media which you are uploading, drop down or pop-ups on your website. Related to drawers, badges, brand information, wherein you can select the image, you can provide some description. You can connect all your social media account to your website, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Likewise, you can define the search behavior, enable search suggestion. The moment somebody comes to your website and in the search they start typing something, automatically some suggestion will start coming, like you see on Amazon or Flipkart. Show product vendor. If you want to show that who is selling the product, so that can be done. You want to show the product price in the search, so that can also be shown in the search itself. What type of currency format you want to use, currency code, so that can be selected. Cart type is pop-up notification. At the cart level, you want to show cart note or vendor detail, so that can be shown. Then the checkout stage. Again, on the checkout page, you can add the banner, your logo, you can put up your background image, the order summary, any kind of the font, specific font you want to select, so that can be done. And lastly is your custom CSS for the entire website. This is for your entire store. If you want to change any of this setting, so that can be done. So guys, these are for the home page. Then you can go to the product pages, collection pages, collection list, gift card, and you can customize each and every page which is available on this website. And with that, you can do the lot of customization to your website. So let's say I click on publish, save and publish. Publish means that your website is live. So you can click on view your store. Now if somebody died, right now I have not bought the domain name, so you can see it is showing some code and .myshopify.com. If I have bought the domain name, then it will be shown as essentialelectronics.com. So now this is how my website is going to look like. If somebody comes over here, right now you can see these are not clickable because I have not added the products. If I go to catalog, there is no catalog available. Customer can go to the creating the account. Here they can enter their email ID and they can log in. They can see their cart. So right now your cart is empty, continue shopping, and so on and so forth. So this is about the customization. You can add more pages if you want to add. You can add the blog post if you are writing some blog article for your website. So that can be added on this page and they will start appearing over here. You can add one page called blogs and all the blog article will start appearing over there on that particular page. If you want to add more pages, so that can be done. Right now contact is available. So I want to create a page called blog, visible, and save it. Only then you can set the store access. So only visitor with the password can access your online store. Otherwise, they will not. Navigation. How the navigation will be done on the main menu. Right now you can see home, catalog, and contact is shown. So click on main menu and I have created a menu item called blogs, and then under the pages there is a blog. So I've selected it and then save it. Then this is main menu. Then you have footer menu. In the footer right now you can see there is a search button which is coming. Otherwise there are no buttons, but you can create a footer menu also. And customer account main menu. How do you want customers account main menu to look like? So that can be customized from this particular button. So that is about the online store, wherein we do all these kind of changes, selecting the theme, customizing the theme, and that's it. Changing some of the settings as per our requirement. Then comes the products. So here we have to add the product. So you can see add your product or import. So if you already have an e-commerce listing on Amazon, Flipkart, so directly you can import that data over here. Otherwise you can add the product manually. So here you just have to write the title, the details about that product. So it is noise free keyboard. Then you can provide some description about it. Silent and rechargeable keyboard for your office, and then you can keep on adding more details about it. You can add the images of the product. So if you have some images, you can upload them over here. Let me find out if I can have some images. Then you can define the category. So this will come under keyboard trays and platforms or computer accessory set. Then what is the price of this product you are charging? So I am selling it at 599 rupees. Charge tax on this product. So some of the products where GST is not applicable, so you can remove it. Otherwise you can keep it as it is. Cost per item, you can leave it as it is. Inventory, track quantity. You can set the quantity also, that certain if somebody wants to buy more than 2 products, they will not be able to do that. This product has a SKU or barcode. So generally when we talk about e-commerce, so you create some identifying numbers of the product so that you can identify stock keeping unit or some kind of barcode. If you don't have it, you can just leave it as it is, and automatically the barcode will be provided by the Shopify platform. Shipping, this is a physical product, and then you can specify what is the weight of this product. So it is 400 grams, like this. If you want to add more information, so that can be added. If you have some color options, because this is a keyboard, so I have this keyboard in multiple colors. So we have blue color, we have white color, we have navy blue, and we have red color. So these are the color options available. If you want to add another options, right now it is a keyboard. So let's say wired keyboard and non-wired keyboard. So option values are wired and wireless, and done. So this is how it looks like. So black 2 variants, blue 2 variants, clear color 2 variants, and so on and so forth. Then how search engine will be listing it? So this is how you can see. When somebody goes to Google and search for noise-free keyboard, this is how your result will look like. Noise-free keyboard, absolutely silent and rechargeable keyboard for your office for 599 rupees. If you want to customize it, so that you can do it further. So this is one product. You can add the vendor detail. If you want to add some tags, so that can be done, and you can click on save button. So this product has been created. Now let's refresh. Can we see that? And you can see feature products, noise-free keyboard, 599 rupees, and then all these details: black, blue, clear, navy, red, wired or wireless. So customer can select any of this. So likewise, if you have added more images to this product, so they will be able to see the multiple images of the product, like we used to see in case of Amazon or Flipkart. And now you can see on the top, blog page is also started appearing over here, wherein you can start writing the blog article for your website. So likewise, you can keep on adding multiple products over here. If you already have a list, then you can import that data over here. So that becomes very easier for you to manage it. Under the collections, you can create some collection of the product, like home office setup. That is a collection. Under that, you can provide a laptop or maybe a desktop, a keyboard, a mouse. That is an entire collection. You can manage your inventory under this tab. So on the screen you have seen that sold out button, sold out is shown. So black wireless, yes, we have 5 products. Noise free keyboard, we have 5. This is also 5. So I have updated it and save it. Now let's see on the website. Go to catalog. This was the product, and now you can see blue is available, clear is available, navy is available, red is available, wireless is available. That is the purpose of this inventory, which you can manage yourself. Purchase order, so you can check all the purchase orders which has been received so far by the customer. You can issue the purchase order directly from here to the customer, that what kind of details will be there in the purchase order. Related to the transfers, move inventory between location. Now when it happens, so when I have different stores available, I have store in Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta. Now let's say I got a request from Calcutta store that somebody is interested in buying a product, but that product is not available in that store, and that product is available in Delhi store. So I can transfer this item to Calcutta store, and I can move the inventory between the locations. So in Delhi, I have to reduce it, that I have sent this product to the Calcutta, and in the Kolkata store I have to increase the inventory, that I have added a item to the Kolkata inventory. You can generate your gift card over here. You can create some gift card, like some related to festivals or something like that. These gift card code, they are automatically generated. You can enter the initial value. Expiration date is already set, and that's it. And then you can start distributing these kind of gift card to your customers. Customers can also buy these gift card for the gifting purpose. So that is about the product page. Under the customer, you will find all your customers over here. Then you can create the different segment of these customers. So segment, you can see customers who have purchased at least once, email subscriber only, abundant checkout in the last 30 days, customers who have purchased more than once, customers who have not purchased. And this kind of a segment is very, very helpful when we are running the targeted campaign. So people who have added any product to the cart but they did not buy, so I can start sending them email with limited period offer or some discount coupon, so that they can buy the product and complete the transaction. Under the content, you will find all the meta objects. Right now you can see I have selected color variants of my keyboard. Then you can upload files. This is the image which I have added. You can upload all the product images at once, so that it becomes easier for you to create your product listing. Your menu will be shown over here, what kind of menu you have. If you want to create new menu, if you want to customize any menu, so that can be done. Under the analytics, you will be able to see how much sale you have done. As you can see, it shows you the time level data. Sale by channel is also shown. Online store session, online store conversion rate will be shown. How many total orders are received? What is the average order value? Top selling products, customer cohort analysis, sales attributed to any marketing team, returning customer rate, session by location. As you can see, I have opened this website, so there is one session and I have opened it through desktop. So session by device type, sales by social source, top preferences, traffic, POS locations, fulfilled order over time, customers over time, and product by sell-through rate. So it gives you exhaustive data for your analysis of the store, which will be very, very helpful for your decision making for the further action. You can check the reports. All these reports, you can see a lot of exhaustive: gross profit, gross sale, net profit, shipping, taxes, acceptance rate, and likewise. So related to total sale, high risk order rate, conversion by last interaction, fulfillment over time, product order and return, retail sale, sale by channel. So you can see Shopify gives you exhaustive report, which you may not be able to find on WordPress, right? So when you have created a website on WordPress, you will connect it to Google Analytics, and then you can check some of the data over there. But that data will not be this much exhaustive. So that is why Shopify is much preferable, because it gives you this much of detailed analysis of your data related to acquisition, related to behavior, related to customers, finances, related to fraud, related to inventory, marketing, orders, profit margin, retail sale, and so on and so forth. You can choose the time period for which you want to pick up this report, and you can create your custom reports. If benchmarks are available, so that benchmark can be seen over here, and you can compare your performance as per the industry performance. In the line view, you will be able to see the dashboard in this format, a very interactive and visual format. So right now I have accessed this website from New Delhi. So New Delhi is shown, total session is 1, and then like this, very interactive kind of a platform they have created. You can click on any part of it and it will start showing you the data accordingly. Now coming to the marketing, wherein you can create your campaigns. As you can see, so you can integrate it to your various platform, and those campaigns can be created. You can set up some of the automations also, such as email marketing, when you are sending the email notifications and other detail to your customer. So that can be done for all. If you can create some discount also. So if you are running some discount, amount of product, discount specific product or collection of product, so that can be set up. What is the discount you are offering, whether you are giving in the percentage format or you are giving a fixed amount of discount you are giving on specific product or specific collections. Minimum purchase requirement, are you giving discount on certain quantity? So if somebody buy at least 5 product, then I will be giving certain discount, right? Eligibility, are you giving discount to all the customer, some specific customer segment or some specific customer? So that can be picked up. Maximum discount rate can be set. You can do the combination also, like product discount and order discount, and you can set up the active dates also, start date and end date, when this discount will be applicable. So that can be set up over here. Buy X get Y, so these kind of discounts can be set up. Buy this product and this you will get this product free. Amount of order, or you can give a discount on the free shipping also. So it becomes very easy to manage all the discounts which you are running on this platform. You can manage all the orders over here. You can see the draft. If you want to create a draft order, so that can be created. How your bill and invoices are going to look like when the customers are receiving it. Abandoned checkout. So you will be able to see which all customers they have abandoned the checkout. How many products are lying in the cart right now and people have not bought it. And then again you can start running the targeted marketing campaign for those kind of customers. That is it on the Shopify e-commerce website development. Thank you.